Welcome to CASHAPP Fixes. This is Mohamed. Please subscribe, share, and like. Best car fixes. This is Mohamed Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have 2013 Mercedes-Benz C300. Whether it's Mercedes-Benz C300 or E or G, this goes by part number. You see the part number that is here, the MED 17.7 17.7.1 is go like that. This is Hexprog's programmer for tuning ECU and chip. They have extension, they upgrade them, their system. Before the first time they come with auto hex, which is this module here, and this one is for BMW comparable interface for working with ISTA B, ISTA A, and also it does a lot of keys and programming and upgrading software. Then they come up with this one here. When you plug this, it works by giving power through this module here. But it looked like when they come and they update it, they did something called Hexprog power module, which is give all the power and ground this side and communication line that side. Right now I already read the bottom module, which is the original one. I saved the backup data and I want to write it back into this one here from the junkyard. There are some company that they only versionize the engine control module. That means they take out the security, but the data, they don't write the whole data. With this one here, you plug and play. You take the information out of here, you read it, you write it back here, and you just plug and play. They add this extension, this side for communication data, and this side for power data, and it worked very smooth. Now, when I went first time, it tell me I have to, they sell you this for about $700, but the subscription is about $1,000 a year. You pay $1,000, you have access to, they keep adding modules, but I did a Sprinter 2006, I did footwell module, and it's good. So now I'm trying to program this computer. They have a lot of modules. So I just try to go in, it stopped me out, and I have to buy the subscription and come back again. You see, this is Auto Hex platform, and they have Hexprog, that platform. So what I'm gonna do now, I will click on Hexprog. We're gonna do this module already. I'm gonna read it. I'm gonna read this module. Be sure that you connect it right. All the connection must be correctly. You see, this connection is wrong. You see this one here, I put it wrong. The power could be okay, but this one here, it looked like it's different. So I'm gonna try to count from this pin, number 4. I will show you here. Review it and be sure they are good. You click on tuning, double click on it. Now you have to go to your Mercedes 17.7. You have to choose factory mode and next. Here we show you the wiring. Let me see what wiring you have. Here is the wiring. So this, the can here, 1, 2, 3, 4, yellow on the bottom, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the top. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the power. So let me see here. I believe the top one, I make a mistake. I put it into number 4. Number 5 is wrong. Let me adjust it. Okay, this is good. Be sure that everything have to be connected correctly based on the information here. I'm going to close this. I'm going to show you the wiring again. Let me open this big. This is the Hexprog. And if you notice here, this is the power. See it? Power. Pin 0, pin 1, pin 5, pin 2. And then here you have 1, 2, 3, 4 pin. 1, 2, 3, the orange on the top, the yellow on the bottom, power. You have another here for pin number 11 and pin number 10. After you do that, you're gonna choose factory mode. This is the chipset TC1797 Mercedes-Benz. Okay, those are the cars names, model, T model, blue efficiency. I don't know what is that. 500, 550, 5 V8, Formatic, blue efficiency. Or maybe all those cars. Formatic. Okay, so let's go now. I'm gonna back up this computer first. I'm gonna read the information. If there's any problem, it will change to red and say he cannot communicate. But here you see it. Start giving, it's blinking. Power mode is more safer. You see now, sector 10. I am reading the flash P, and then it will read the flash D. It will save it, which is not bad. I see in other computers you have to download, to solder. Some of them you have to open it and solder wires. Some of them you don't have to solder wires. They say that we can do X5 also. This Indian computer, MS45. I'm going to try that one soon. Now I'm going to read the D flash. You remember I read the P flash and I read the D flash. Okay, this is backup from the junkyard. I will save it. Complete. Now what do you want to do? I'm going to restore it. Click on restore. What do you want to do? Mercedes-Benz. I'm going to do this one from the first one. 945. This one. I read it before. Original file. I will open it. What are you going to do? It will do it automatically. I'm going to restore it. After you restore it, you're good to go. So I'm going to restore the information that I just clicked in into this one, and it will be okay. You can keep all this file and open them in another computer if you want to check the binary code, but I believe we're good to go. After this storage is finished, restore it, and you just take it on, clean it, plug it in, and it's supposed to work. Please subscribe, share, and like. And if you have any problem, feel free to Hey, how are you? Assalamu alaikum. Good, good. Ça va beaucoup. Merci. And this is very simple. Understanding, getting solution for our community is not bad. I'm just pushing now. This is writing P flash, and then in a few it will write down the D flash too. If you have stage 1, stage 2, you want to write it down, also it's possible for the people who need to tune it. I'm going to look for that soon. Please subscribe, share and like, and see you in another video. If you have any question, feel free to ask, but this is how we attempt to do our best. Hope it will help, and see you in another video. This is Mohamed Idris, Brooklyn, New York, United States of America.